So welcome back for the second module. Sets chapter हमने शुरू किया था and we have seen that in mathematics sets has got a very special meaning. If you ask me what is a set, I'll say it is a collection, but in mathematics में sets has got a definite meaning. A set is a collection of well-defined objects, right? कोई भी collection set नहीं हो सकता है. Every set is a collection, but every collection is not a set, right? Collection of coins, collection of books, collection of stamps are different collections, right? जहाँ पे हमको कंपैरिजन आ जाता है, जहाँ पे हमको क्वालिटेटिव वैल्यूज बताते हैं, वहाँ पे that collection will not be a set. So for example, set of good teachers, set of tall people in Ahmednagar, set of fair or beautiful people in the world. ये sets नहीं, क्योंकि qualities हैं. Beautiful हो गया, then taller, ये comparison हो गया है. तो ऐसे collection को हम sets नहीं कहते हैं, right? Then sets किसको कहते हैं? Set is a collection of well-defined objects. जैसे कि A is a set of natural numbers, right? So I can easily say that 5 is a member of this set, but -4 is not a member of this set. Reason? -4 is not a natural number, जबकि A क्या है? Is a collection of natural numbers, right? So here we can easily formulate, easily find out whether a member belongs to this set or not. So ऐसे collections जहाँ पे there is no confusion whether this is a member of this set or not, right? Well defined है, that type of collection only are called as sets. In the first module we have seen that sets अलग अलग टाइप के रहते हैं. तो जिसमें हमने देखा था finite set, a set having finite number of elements, they are called as finite sets, right? So if I say that A is a set of all natural numbers less than 10 is a finite set. All odd numbers from 1 to 100 finite set है ना, जहाँ पे हम members of the set को easily गिन सकते हैं, alright? Then comes infinite set. Infinite set is a set in which we have got innumerable, infinitely many elements. Suppose if I say that C is a set of all natural numbers, D is a set of whole numbers, E is a set of integers, F is a set of rational numbers, like this one. So all these sets are infinite sets. Then comes a set known as empty set. Now what is an empty set? Empty set is a set which do not have any member in its collection, right? Say set of एक ऐसा set जिसमें कोई member ही नहीं है, जिसमें कोई element ही नहीं है, that type of set is known as empty set, and this empty set is also known as null set. Example, suppose if I say that A is a set of all alphabets between A and B. A और B के बीच में जितने भी alphabets हैं, उन सब alphabets का set है हमारा set A. Is it possible? No. So we can say that it is an what you can call it's not possible. So we cannot have any members in this set. So it is an empty set. Set of alphabets after Z, set of alphabets before A, right? Something of that sort. Set of mathematically अगर देखा जाए तो we can say that set of can have many examples, right? Set of numbers between 5 and 6, right? तो ऐसे sets को हम बोलते हैं empty set. Then आता है singleton set. Name itself suggests singleton मतलब एक ऐसा set which has got only one element, right? तो set of natural numbers between 5 and 7, set of alphabets between A and C, all these are examples of singleton set. यहाँ तक हमने फर्स्ट मॉड्यूल में किया था. सेकेंड मॉड्यूल भी हम बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपांड नहीं करेंगे, विल जस्ट टेक स्मॉल मॉड्यूल्स में. हाउ कैन वी राइट दिस सेट्स मैथमेटिकली, राइट? जैसे कि हम हाउ टू वी हैव टू एक्सप्रेस दिस सेट्स मैथमेटिकली. अब जैसे मैं जितने भी मैंने आपको एग्जांपल्स दिए, इट वाज वर्बल एग्जांपल्स, बट सपोज इफ यू वांट टू डू इट मैथमेटिकली हम कैसे कर सकते हैं इसको? Sets can be expressed or can be shown, can be written in basically three different ways. The first is known as listing method. The first way of writing any set, it is called as listing method. Right? The second one is known as rule method. And diagrammatically, we make use of diagrams to show sets, Venn diagrams. They are called as Venn diagrams. ये जो listing method है is also known as rooster method. And this rule method is also known as set builder method. Right? Now, exams में during, so sometimes they ask to express a particular set in either listing method or rule method or using Venn diagrams, right? Now here we'll take certain examples and then I'll make you understand what does it actually mean, right? So the first type of method of expressing a set is listing method. The name itself suggests list करना, है ना? To mention the names, है ना? जैसे आपके स्कूल में सिस्टर ने बोला है या प्रिंसिपल मैम ने बोला है कि आपको पिकनिक जाना है, तो मेक ए लिस्ट ऑफ, तो आप लोग लिस्ट बनाते हो नाम के साथ में. वैसे ही अगर सेट में each member is related, is listed there, right? Then that type of expressing a set is known as listing method, which is also known as rooster method, right? Then rule method or set builder form जो है, यहाँ पे we don't list, but we write the rule which is being followed there, right? When I write it, you'll understand better. Venn diagrams में either by using circles or triangles or rectangles, we express the sets. So this is a diagrammatic representation of sets. So first of all, we'll just look into listing method. Then उन्हीं examples को we'll write it in rule method or set builder method, और उन्हीं examples को we'll make use it and write it in Venn diagrams, right? Say the first example which I am going to take is that, suppose if I say set of A is a set of all natural numbers. A is a set of all natural numbers less than 10. In listing method, we will write it like this one. A, the name of the set should be always a capital letter. A is a set. यहाँ पे curly bracket आएगा, right? And all the natural numbers less than 10, you list it. So I'll write it 1, 2, 3, 4, till 9. Why 9? Because I'm saying less than 10. समझ में आया बेटा? Okay. So मैंने यहाँ पे use किया है. It means that I have listed it. It doesn't mean that I have neglected it. I have listed it. So this way of writing a set is known as listing method, right? Suppose if I want to write the same set in a different way, that is rule method, or which is also known as set builder method. तो हम कैसे लिखेंगे? It has got a particular notation. You just pay attention to this one notation. So the name of the set remains the same. A is a set of all x, right? Now who is this x? X is all members of this set. Now how to read this one? A is a set of all x such that. Now we have to mention the rule. And the rule is the members. Members के बारे में rule क्या है? All natural numbers less than 10. So we'll write that A is a set of all x such that x belongs to natural number. Now remember that this symbol कैसा लिखा हमने? गोल, आधा गोल और बीच में डंडा. And the name of that symbol is belongs to. Right? So A is a set of all x such that x belongs to n. Capital N is an abbreviation used for natural numbers, right? तो हमने लिखा है A is a set of all x. This बड़ा डंडा जो दिखा रहे हैं आपको यहाँ पे ना. So what is the meaning of that? Such that. है ना? ये डंडा है. That is such that. Reading के लिए, right? So A is a set of all x such that x belongs to n. क्या हमने सभी नेचुरल नंबर्स लिए हैं? No. हमने नेचुरल नंबर्स लिया है लेस देन 10. तो आप और एक कंडीशन दे देंगे यहाँ पे and x is less than 10. Finished. This way of writing a set is known as set builder method या फिर rule method. Right? We'll take one more example. Second example. B is a set of all integers. B is a set of all integers greater than -4 and less than 4. Getting? तो हम लेंगे तो लिस्टिंग मेथड में. लिस्टिंग मेथड इज वेरी इजी. -4 से बड़े इंटीजर्स -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. I'm not taking 4 or -4 because it is clearly said that integers greater than -4 and less than 4. So all these are alright. Now suppose if I want to write the same set using set builder method or rule method, so I'll write it like this one. B is a set of all x. Right? You can use either x, you can use y, whatever it may be, doesn't matter. Such that कैसा है? X belongs to integer. Capital I for integers, N for natural numbers, right? अच्छा, क्या हमने सभी के सभी इंटीजर्स लिए हैं? No. तो हमने कहाँ से कहाँ तक लिया है? मतलब greater than -4 but less than 4. So I can write a statement here, comma लेके x, that is x is a member of this set. So x is greater than -4 but less than 4. Alright. Now instead if suppose if somebody asks me, sir आपको -4 और +4 use नहीं करना, उसके बदले में और कुछ use करना है, तो definitely we can use it. I can say that x is greater than or equal to -4. मतलब या तो x जो है ग्रेटर है -3 से या फिर -3 के इक्वल है. यहाँ पे भी I can change it to 3 less than or equal to 3. Right? So both the cases the answer is same. Right? The meaning is same. So generally we can sometimes we make use of this one. So this way of writing a set is known as set builder. This first way it is called as listing method. The second you बता रहा हूँ मैं, that is another example. Example 3. C is a set of colors in a rainbow. C is a set of colors in a rainbow. तो listing method में we have to list all the colors, right? तो हम लिखेंगे small letters में violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, 6, 7, right? All these are colors of a rainbow, colors in a rainbow, right? write the same using set builder. So what I'll do is that C is set of all x such that. Now who is x? X is a color in this, you know? So I'll write it here in words. X is a color in the rainbow. Right? समझ में आ रहा है, right? So in case of listing method, we list actual the members of the set, and in the second case, that is in set builder method या rule method में, we mention the rules. Getting or not? So आपको एक exercise दिया हुआ है, तो उस exercise में आपको बताना है कि whether a particular set is listing method से rule method या rule से इसमें listing method में convert करना है, right? So generally a question comes in the exam based on this particular concept. Now, as far as Venn diagrams are concerned, Venn diagrams make use of either rectangles or triangles or circles. Generally, we prefer circles. Generally, I'm saying it's not a rule, but generally. So, for example, मुझे अगर ये set दिखाना है using Venn diagram, the first one, है ना? So I'll simply draw a circle. I'll write A here, and then I'll just remember I have a point like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 only. So this way of expressing a set is known as Venn diagram, right? ये Venn diagram जो है word problems में बहुत काम आएगा, थोड़ा ध्यान से देखते जाना इसको, right? Same is the case with this one also. So B is another set having elements -3 से लेके 3 तक. So -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Alright? C का अगर दिखाना है, you can make use of a rectangle also. Points, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, something like this. समझ में आ रहा है? So this is how we represent a set, right? Which is different from collection. Set is a collection of well-defined objects, right? I cannot take brown here because we know that brown is not a color in rainbow. So each and every member of this set is well defined. समझ में आ रहा है? So this is how एक exercise आपका इसमें हो जाएगा, right? So कल से हम थोड़ा सा बड़ा, कल से in the sense next module से हम थोड़ा सा fast भी जाएंगे, because अभी आपको समझ में आ गया है कि types of sets क्या है, then how differently we can express a set. So in this way टाइप भी मिल गया है, सबको समझ हाउ टू एक्सप्रेस अ सेट ये समझ में आ गया है. तो थर्ड मॉड्यूल से वी विल बी अ बिट फास्टर, राइट? हो सकता है कि हम एक मॉड्यूल में दो एक्सरसाइज भी कंप्लीट कर सकें, राइट? तो आपको आज तक हमने जहाँ तक पढ़ा हुआ है, तो आई डोंट हैव योर टेक्स्ट बुक विथ मी नाउ एट प्रेजेंट, आई गेट इट. तो जितना भी हमने किया हुआ है, तो फ्रॉम द एक्सरसाइजेस एंड प्रॉब्लम सेट में से जितने भी क्वेश्चंस हैं, please complete those questions, right? Bye. See you tomorrow.